one of the most important aspects about off-roading is vehicle recovery because, well, you never know what you're going to run into out on the trail.
On our last XOR adventure, our buddy Jeff from Team Aries took on a trail called Powerline. And unfortunately, Powerline lived up to its reputation and put his JK in a slow, downward flop. After it came to a rest, we used Jeff's recovery gear, the winch on the front of his rig, and the one on our Scout to set him right again.
So here are some essential tools to have in your recovery bag before you hit the trails. First is a good heavy-duty tow strap. Now you're going to want one of these just in case your winch cable isn't long enough or you got to help your broken down buddy off the trails. And next is a snatch block. Now you're going to want one of these because if you run your cable through this back to your winch, it's going to increase the pulling force of your winch. Now next is a winch cable dampener. Now this is designed that if you put weight inside it and then lay it over your winch cable, if something happens, like if your winch cable snaps, this is going to drive the winch cable down to the ground, help protecting you and your vehicle. Now we're all out there to help protect Mother Nature, and this is a tree saver strap. Now this is designed to go around the trunk of the tree so you don't wrap your winch cable around the tree itself. And one of the last things you're going to want in your recovery bag is a D-ring style clevis. Now these come in pretty handy when you want to hook up your snatch block to your tree saver, or when you got to hook your tow strap up to your buddy. Now, if you don't have a winch on your vehicle, but still want to carry something to help get you unstuck, well, that's where traction mats come into play. Just slide these underneath the wheels that are spinning, and as soon as they get sucked under, you'll have all the traction you need.
This is the actual winch that we use to flip Jeff over. Now there are many options in the winch world, and here's some of the differences. First is your choice between synthetic rope and cable. Rope is actually stronger under the right conditions and does not store any energy, so there's no danger of whipping when broken. Cable, however, is most durable, but needs to be used with extra precaution. Next are Fairleads. Roller Fairleads use rollers in all 4 directions to reduce chafing on your cable, especially at severe angles and heavy loads. Next is your basic Hawse Fairlead. Now these are used with synthetic ropes and are best suited for the occasional user. So there you have it, recovery tools explained.